But I feel like I go say. Right? So, never.
You must come and name that when we stand. Morning, guys. What's poppin'? It's another day in paradise. Paradise, I would say, because it's home. Anyway, I got up this morning and you know what? I forgot that I'm doing a daily vlog. But I've started washing my trainers that I wore yesterday. My bucket of water with soap. I've washed one foot already, which is fine. But look at my face. My face is glowing and it's getting darker. I'm getting a tan. You didn't know black girl could tan, do you? Well, I am. Anyway, that is so funny. Anyway, this is what I need to do today, or what I want to do today, because it might not happen. So today I need to go into the town because I need to get something into the town. So I need to do that. And as you see, I'm washing my trainers, and then I need to do some painting, but I'm not sure if this painting is for today. But I've got everything prepared already, so that, because I have to get up early in the morning and to do my work, because I don't know how these people down here, I don't know what happened to them. They can't wake early, but I like to just get up early and just bang out everything. These people wake up ridiculous time, like 10, 11, 12. I mean, don't you guys have a job to do? Don't you have... How can you work in the sun? Don't you think it's better to get up early in the morning and just do it before the sun comes out? Because when the sun comes out, people get lazy and you don't want to do anything. But that's my opinion. What do you think? Because my opinion is that I think it's easy. Or easier. Because when the sun comes out, no one wants to do anything. Anyway, I need to bang out this and get myself sorted for the day, like tidy up the house and get something to eat and prepare myself to go into the town. And my town is Moranta Bay in St. Thomas. Anyway, let me go continue washing my trainers and I'll see you later.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm ready to go into the town, and this is my outfit. A little one piece matching my trainers. So I'll see you when I get to Moranta Bay. I need to go call my taxi.
In America. Know them things you look at you. You know them things that search them for myself. Get my friend. You know me can't jump, me live when I sing no day. Fun line with the rims we set. House casket pick up no bitch now. General, President, top bounce. You know say you need to go down and be a fuck your keep up. For morning, hear me. Fat night, there are no homes.
Yeah, right. This is Rudolph Park in Morented Bay. Let's go closer. Oh my god, this is the third time I'm doing this video. Till even I cut myself by accident. Oh my god, because I was digging in my bag for something. What I'm saying, I'm in my town of Morented Bay and I'm waiting for my taxi. Oh, my finger is hurting so much. And I'm in the park. But it is so busy. In here is so cool. Everyone is coming here together and I see why, because it's so cool. Because if you can see far distance, the seaside is just down there and we are all chilling here and people are gathering. So I'm saying tonight I'm going to the setup of the boy that died. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can watch the vlog before, because I went to the grave digging yesterday. But what I'm saying is that some people, they have their night. I keep saying night. They have their setup the night before the funeral. Their funeral is on Saturday, but they flipped it around because they don't want to be tired for the funeral. And there's another funeral going by. May their soul rest in peace. So they want to rest, so they're gonna do it. If you don't know what a setup is, for those who don't know, the setup is setting up with the family the night before the funeral, where they provide people with food such as fish and bread if you want it, and soup. My phone is ringing. Who is that? Hold on. So I'm off to the south, so I'll vlog a little bit on my phone because it's gonna be a little bit dark. But you know what? I'll see you. You want somebody to talk with me, son? New to Cosimo? New to Cosimo? You take it out. What's one I got walk? So now I want to sleep. When you today?
But me feel like me have a say. Right? So, Evan? Okay, Allah. What you guys say? Yeah? Ahmed? I'm just Mama said me that my mother did and my mother used to transport it. You don't know anything about you know long time. I know. I know.
I just came back from the setup. It was big. It was massive. But you know what? I enjoy it with friends, chatting, catching up and stuff like that. But I didn't video a lot. Something is wrong with my phone. I don't know. Maybe it's running out of memory or something like that. Plus, my friend's car, it was punctured. So we spent like an hour trying to fix it. So that is it. But if you reach this end in my vlog, thanks for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and if you haven't done it already, subscribe, and I see you in the next vlog.